Hi guys, we just got a new package from EVENTURI. I had the same intake in my F90 M5, and the guys from EVENTURI were so cool. They sent me another one, also for the M8. It's basically the same system. It's identical. That means you could theoretically take it out of the M5 and put it into the M8, but the guys from EVENTURI just thought the car needs a brand new one. And that's why I got another one, a second one. What we're gonna do right now, I will unpack it, I will unbox it together with Sunny, and after that, mount it into the car. I think it's gonna get like a little bit of power, and of course it's gonna look like amazing together with the engine cover that is also carbon fiber. I think it's going to look amazing. I'm looking forward to get it installed. It's going to happen like now. We're gonna take the car, head to the body shop and get it installed. Yeah, it's so exciting. So you see the M8 is not going to stay stock at all. We have the suspension, now the wheels, the tint, now the intake. I think there's plenty of other things to come as well, like exhaust, a little bit more of power, and maybe a body kit, carbon fiber. As far as you guys know, I always used to modify the cars also exterior wise. And yeah, right now there's no manufacturer on the market that is producing something for the M8, but once they will, I'm sure I will get to know it. And if it's nice, I will for sure purchase it and put it on a car. Do you agree, Sunny? Do you agree with that? Yes? Cute. All right, guys, let's get this done. Oh. One here, but it looks
big toys for big boys.
Yeah, some big toys for the bigger, even bigger toys of the big boys.
Are you happy?
Yes, like it's like Christmas. It's like Christmas and
Christmas is March.
in March, and together with
Ooh, Sunny is interested in what you have here.
Sunny, do you dig that?
She digs everything that can be popped.
There we go. Sunny's always in the middle. She likes being a part
Put
of.
her in the box. She will like it. So show us what you have there.
Let me check if there's some parts missing, because usually I'm supposed to forget some things in the boxes, and that's not good if we forget the mounting kit. Okay, this is some mounting stuff for sure as well. And okay, let's get rid of these things.
Sunny will get rid of them soon.
Yeah, she's gonna love these things. She's gonna pop all of them.
Sunny!
There we go. Well, they're always so beautiful. They're so perfectly manufactured. The carbon fiber usually is like really perfect on those pieces. You can see also the red filters right here. It looks really stunning. Everything is so well done. I think they produced this in UK, and it's first class carbon fiber, and you can see it. And I can tell you from my M5 that it also performs really nice and it sounds really good, because I had it
You
also
can
there.
actually hear when you drive fast, like.
Yeah, it's funny because
You can hear the turbo
you
very
can hear,
good.
you can have a really nice noise that the stock engine or the stock filters cannot produce, and that's awesome. What's that? Let's check this out.
Is there any makeup in this box?
Yeah, this is makeup for guys, for cars actually.
No, for me. Makeup for me. Sunny. Is there any cat food in there?
There's no cat food here. She already had so much food today. Even more carbon fiber. I have no idea where to put these ones, but there are two of those. And
If you ever make kids one day, I think you're going to be made of carbon fiber.
there we go. Carbon fiber, mounting kit. That's the second one. Look at her just playing around. Yeah, that's pretty sick. That's the second one. Look at this beauty. Carefully packed, so they arrive also in a mint condition. You don't need to worry about shipping. That's also great because sometimes some manufacturers don't pack their stuff so well, and it can happen that they get damaged, and this is really a shame to damage such beautiful products. And this is what we do also with our wheels. We double pack them, like 4 times more packing like maybe other people or other companies do, in order to have them in mint condition at our customers. There we go. Yo, we are heading now to the BMW dealership called PROLEASING. Belongs actually to a friend of mine. He was the one who, as far as you can remember, imported the car for me to Romania. And in order to be professional and to have professional work on the car, I decided to go with a dealership and not just with a normal shop, body shop. And it's like 50 kilometers. About 1 hour drive. Gonna be there like in 15 or 20 minutes, and we're gonna start working on M8. He's gonna get finally the proper intake. Looking forward to that. Monkey feet. You know what you should do, because she woke me up at 5. You should just not let her sleep, just on purpose. Well guys, the M8 is on the ramp. We're gonna make space for the EVENTURI intake. Meanwhile, I will show you some details of the CP Forged R on the M8. Well, these are the scoops. Like I told you before, they are responsible for the air to be like redirected exactly where the filter is, so we have a bigger boost. Dude, you know what?
What? Tell me.
Just found out that we got permission to unlock the car. That means break-in period is over. I can drive the car now. So now when we get back home, this is gonna be like different. They're gonna change the oil. They're gonna change the oil filter. The oil for the differential is gonna be changed, and then the car is basically unlocked. They're gonna do like a remap, so the car opens up or be unlocked at its full potential, and you can drive it. Awesome, right? That means not only that you can drive it, but we can now change the exhaust and do the remap. We can do the remap on the car and have full sound. Awesome. It's gonna be amazing. Can't wait for that.